Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the player shortcode with custom fields. We'll go to help section, shortcode, and here we have four custom fields. So on our page we have defined four custom fields. You can name them as you want. There's no restriction here. So on our page we'll insert the player shortcode and we'll use those four custom fields. So the first one is mp3 custom field, second OGG custom field, title custom field, and the last author custom field. So my first custom field is, let's copy it first, mp3 custom field. The second one is OGG. As I said before, this parameter is for older browser, so you can skip it. Title custom field, and the last one is author custom field. For the values for mp3 custom field, we'll copy the custom field name and the value will be used. So this one is my mp3, my OGG, my author, and my title. Now update and view page. Here we have my new player using custom fields.